Hi YouTube, Robert here from Hitch to Horsepower, and today I'm going to make a quick video on something that was very popular in the 70s and 80s and maybe should make a comeback now that fuel prices are through the roof again. That is locking gas caps. Most new cars, and apologies for the wind, but most new cars have locking flaps. Like my Volkswagen locks automatically when the doors are locked. My Jeep and my RX-8, you have to push a button in the cabin to unlock the flap. But even with them, I think someone messed with the one on my Volkswagen. They didn't get in it, but it's a little tweak, so I think someone maybe tried to pry it open. Thought it'd be really funny if they were trying to pry it open thinking it was gas and they got diesel. In that case, I would have hoped they got it and ruined their car. But anyway, but yeah, locking gas caps probably are a good idea when we live in a world with close to, well, it depends where you are, $6-ish diesel and $5-ish regular. My truck holds at the 589 that I'm averaging around me. That's $360. No, yeah, like $350-ish, something like that. Don't do the math, I'm probably off. A lot of money in diesel. And then even with this my minivan here, my 06 Town & Country that I keep around because it's useful, 23-gallon tank of regular at $4.99 a gallon. That's like $115. So it's a $15 to $20 investment in a locking cap might be worth it. But anyway, I'll show you how they work real quick. So it's funny, so I've got the two keys here. The diesel one came in a green cap for my truck, green for diesel, even though technically the color for diesel is yellow, but and then you go to BP and the gas handles are green and the diesel are black when they should be, again, yellow, but whatever. And the one on the minivan is black. This is the key. Let's see if you can see it. This is the key for the truck, and it says gas. Again, green cap, meant for diesel, says gas. The key for the minivan actually says, focus, it actually says fuel, interestingly enough. But anyway, here we go. So if I don't have the key in it, it just spins. So I want to unlock it. I move that. It's not. And then I take it, and it actually says take it and press in a little just to vent. And then we turn it, and then after that, I can take the key out to make it easier. Then it spins like a regular cap. And you go back on, clicks. I haven't had any check engine lights. Then we, again, flip. Hopefully you're doing this with two hands, or one, but you can. And turn the key, and we're back to spinning. On this side, it will spin this way as much as you want. Take the key, turn it, comes right off. Go back in, clicks, turn it. Oh, I did that wrong. Turn it, and take, again, one-handed and wrong-handed. I should probably hold it in the camera with the other hand. Let me switch hands with you. Come on. This worked fine the other day. There we go. See, it just spins. I don't know what I was doing, but so that is, a pretty nice little thing just to protect your fuel for not much of an investment. And picked up some for a friend of my mom's. She has two older GM cars, so they use the exact same cap. And I was just curious to see, again, these say gas on them. That's just Motorad. So this, again, this is really hard. Let's see, are you in focus? Yeah, okay. This one, it works just fine, but if I take this key, or this cap, take the key out, take this key won't do anything. So they are, I don't know how many different sets they have, but I was kind of wondering if they were gonna key them all alike, you know, you wouldn't be surprised. So that's pretty nice to know. And again, it's, yeah, think about it, it's 3 or 4 gallons of gas. And yeah, it's slightly annoying to have to take a key to unlock it, but you know, and I haven't heard any reports of people stealing gas, but I have seen a whole lot of I've seen a lot of cars driving around recently with their flaps just open a little bit, and it seems a lot more than normal. So I don't know if that is people just not paying attention, not shutting their flaps. I've seen the caps hanging by the tether, which is one thing that I lost on both of these vehicles, was the tether. I have not found the locking caps with the tether for my vehicles, and so that's a little bit annoying. On the truck, it's not such a big deal because I can just set it up here, and it's really not that big a deal. Just don't forget it. Anyway, I just thought, you know, bring this up. I know it hasn't been a thing in a long time, so maybe some of the younger people out there didn't know that was a thing. And so also depends where you park your car, where, you know, all sorts of different things. You know, people aren't living back in the woods, although we did have someone break into some stuff not too terribly long ago. But you know, you never know. And I don't go that many places where my cars sit, although I do travel and park in hotels. And yeah, you don't really want to come out to no gas and have a very expensive bill. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this was informative, and yeah, hop on Rock Auto, Amazon, Advanced Auto Parts, AutoZone. They all have them. I got these off of Amazon just because it was easy, but you know, I think it's probably a good idea. Yes, a lot of new cars are capless, and again, they have locks and blah blah blah. Like my Volkswagen, it has a flap inside that prevents you, on the new diesel pumps, they have a little adapter that goes onto the flap so that in theory you can't fill it with gasoline. And I had to buy a special filter to be able to add, you know, some diesel additive and things like that. So you'd be hard pressed to siphon that even if you did get it open. But anyway, this was a little longer than I anticipated, but thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I'll continue to bring you some more videos. Thanks. Bye.